67. People talk about my Tao as if they know it. They say they have heard the Tao is powerful, emancipating. Perhaps what they witness, they desire for themselves. Perhaps it's because I reflect the Tao. I don't know. They say the Tao can't be all that great. It sounds too easy. So they talk about my Tao as rarefied, but impractical. I say, because the Tao is one with everything, it is common. It is great because it is common to everything. Oh, if people could only know. Freedom from attachments is empowering. The Tao isn't a commodity to be possessed or shared. If the Tao were not the one constant source for all being, it would change how it manifests through its expression. And along with the 10,000 things, it too would pass away. The Tao is unwavering presence, the source of change beyond change. While everything else comes and goes, the Tao endures, indifferent to feelings and perceptions. Because it arises through its manifestations, I follow the Tao by looking deeply into myself, by listening, by being still. There is nowhere else to go. Silence tells me all I need to know. The Tao lacks definition, but all existence is defined by it. All descriptions of the Tao are not the Tao. The Tao is empty of meaning, yet it gives everything purpose in the great web of being. Three treasures form the heart of my Tao's expression: love, simplicity, and humility. Love brings forth courage, affiliation, and trust, making fear pointless and harmless. Simplicity nurtures frugality and moderation, awakening infinite possibility, patience, and generosity. Humility draws me closest to the Tao, giving love for existence, personal relevance. Living low to the ground of being serves as my vessel to receive the waters nourishing life. Perhaps this is what others see. By living as one with my Tao, I serve all existence, reaping abundance without accumulating anything by simply creating life on the humble path of the Tao expressing itself. Humility is love in action. To be fearless without love engenders distrust, undermining the capacity to see a person's character. Being frugal and moderate without being simple is cheap, mean-spirited. To lead without humility subjugates others, gives rise to pretense, dooming life to separation from the oneness of the Tao. Where love determines the character of the conflict, There is honor in both victory and defeat. The Tao protects everyone. When the Tao, love, simplicity, and humility author the script for life, what else is there?